Hello everyone and welcome to X-Close. My name is Carl and today we are talking about the double diamond. So the double diamond is a design process made up of 4 distinct phases. So here you can see we've got discover, define, develop and deliver. So discover and define, they come together and that's the first diamond, and this is about understanding the problem space we're working in. And then develop and deliver, they come together, that's the second diamond, and that's about creating solutions that we think solve the problem that we have defined in the first diamond. So throughout this process, we're going to adopt different thinking styles at different stages. So sometimes we're going to be thinking wide, and this is known as divergent thinking. And we do this to create choices. We think wide, we understand what's going on. And then other times, we're going to converge, and we're going to think narrow. And we do this to make choices, so we can actually move on and actually deliver something through to our end users. So we'll start with the first phase, which is discover. And this is all about performing research, understanding the problem space as well as possible. Remember, we're thinking wide here, we're diverging. You'll talk to your users, user interviews, usability testing. If you have access to analytical data, you'll look at that, perform surveys, do whatever you need to do to understand and paint a picture of the problem space as well as possible. Once you have that insight, you can then move into define, and it should become quite clear the biggest pain points your users are having. Maybe there's some key themes which keep reoccurring, and you can start to understand and start to converge on the area that you think as a business is the most important to focus on right now. Now that we've understood the problem space and we've defined the area that we want to focus on, we're going to move into our second diamond, which is about solutionizing. So we move into develop, and develop is all about collaboratively creating solutions that you think will solve that problem. So you'll create mock-ups, you'll turn those into prototypes, and you'll get those prototypes in front of your users and you'll test them to understand if they're actually solving the problems that you think they will. And finally, then we'll move into deliver, and we're going to finally diverge and we're going to deliver the solution that we think does the best job of solving that problem. But once we've delivered, that isn't the end of the process. So the double diamond is an iterative design process. And with these new insights, we'll continue to monitor everything we put into our live product. And with those new data points and those new insights, we move back around to discover. And it helps us understand our users and we understand how they interact with our product. And it may uncover new pain points or new areas of opportunity for us to continue to explore. So that was the double diamond. I really hope you found this useful, and I'll see you again soon.